Hello and welcome to your mom's favorite channel. And today we'll be doing something a little out of the ordinary. And you've probably noticed by now that something's a little bit strange, a little bit different, and maybe even a bit odd to some of you. But fear not, because the content of this channel will remain. And maybe, just maybe, depending on how this style of content sits with thee, it's a little more casual, more laid back if you will, more cinematic, and you can even watch it without any sound. And this style will be for simpler recipes, something that doesn't need a lot of explanation, and also to show the beauty of cooking. But I might also use these shorter videos as a sort of outlet, just to talk some shit, maybe tell you a story or two. And depending on how I feel the day, I might even just shut the fuck up and have you make up your own stories. Or maybe I could go into more detail about certain techniques or certain ingredients. For example, this pasta, trombete. This pasta is imported by one of my friends all the way from Greece, and it's made from 100% drum wheat semolina with no other added bullshit flours, so you know that this stuff is top quality. I think this is also a good opportunity just to show the beauty of some of these ingredients, like these tomatoes. But you'll still see me making dumb mistakes and little fuck-ups, even in these shorter videos. Like, why didn't I add these mushrooms from the start? You fucking idiot. Anyway, I think I'll just shut up for now. You can enjoy the video in peace and quiet. Oh hey bitch, I'm back. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, feel free to do so now. Let me know what you think about this format in the comment section. If you love it, if you hate it, whatever. I like this video. Follow me on my other social medias, and as always, see you in the next one. Peace.